Hi everyone, welcome to Craft Recipes. Today let's make flowery wall decor using old newspaper and foam sheet. First take a foam sheet and draw a freehand sketch of a flower. Now let's give few detailing to it. The part we have detailed, let's cut it out and take out the pieces out. And remember not to throw these pieces because we are going to use for another flower making. You can watch other videos coming up in the future. You will have your flower making out of this one waste. For foam sheet, if you apply little bit heat using any iron box or your hair straightener, it will give you an awesome embossing effect. The heat may give you the curling effect. To avoid that, you can place your hand on top of the flower and hold it for a second. It will give you a nice beautiful flowers now. I have made two other flowers also with the extra pieces and going to color it with a pink color metallic one. For making frame, I am going to curl the newspaper. Just remove the corners if it is not good. I have made few newspaper rolls and I have colored with the golden color. Instead of usual rectangular flame, I have been trying to do a triangular one. Now let's try placing the flowers wherever we want and check which is good. I like this order now, so I am going to paste the small newspaper rolls as a stem for the flowers. After trimming out the waste and few corrections, we are good with our wall art now. If you like this idea, please like, share and subscribe my channel and let your comments down in the comment section. Thank you everyone for supporting craft recipes.